All right, we are with one of our pilots today, and could you tell me what's your name and where are you from?
Steve Shipley Piloting, Texas.
Great. And what are you doing?
Wingsmas Aircraft Society, and also the automotive flyers, and also with the football flyers.
Wow. Tell me just a little bit about this plane.
This is a model of a Cessna 150. It's a little versatile with plans. It's completely scratch built. It's modeled after a plane at the Air Force Academy Flight Training Squadron. It's thank you. It's powered by an OS 300 twin-cylinder engine. It's a Spectrum 7-channel, 2.4 gigahertz.
Do you have any other interesting facts you'd like us to know about your plane?
Well, it took me 2 years to build it, and there's 64 feet of 1/16th Lawson just to make the corrugations in this airplane.
You worked very hard on it, and it's beautiful. Thank you so much, Steve.
Oh, you're welcome.
Can't wait
Have a
to
great
see you
time.
fly it.
We'll be up in just a little bit.
Oh, great.
All right.